How to change a lab or tutorial without dropping your course. To change a lab, tutorial, or discussion group without dropping the lecture, you need to replace the linked component in Carleton Central instead of dropping it. Click Add/Drop Classes under the Registration heading. Select your term from the drop-down menu and click Submit. For full-year courses, select the fall term that the course starts in. Navigate to the Class Search button under the Add Classes worksheet. Select the subject that corresponds to the linked component that you wish to change. Click the Search button at the bottom of the page. The lecture and additional component that you are currently registered in will show as Already Registered under the Status column. Select the checkbox beside the component that you wish to register in. Some components may be full and will be unavailable to you. The section letter of the additional component must match that of your lecture. For example, if you are in a Section A of a lecture, you must register in an open Section A tutorial. Click Proceed to Worksheet at the bottom of the page. Before making any registration changes, please ensure that your new component does not create any scheduling conflicts with your current timetable. If your new lab or tutorial is scheduled for the same time and day as the one that you are currently registered in, you may ignore the conflict warning. Click Proceed to Registration to switch your tutorial sections. Notice that the course reference number for the selected linked component has been automatically added. Find the component that you wish to drop in your current schedule and select Drop under the Action column. Click Submit when you are ready. Registration deadlines apply when changing a lab or tutorial section. The old tutorial will now be removed and your new component will be added. If you are changing the linked component of a full year course, the schedule change for your winter term has been automatically updated. The section of your lecture and tutorial must be the same for both the fall and winter terms. Dates in this video may not reflect dates and deadlines in your current term. Please see the Dates and Deadlines page on the registration website for details. Please visit the registration website if you need any extra help.